Have you ever said, "This year I will finally speak English," and then 2 weeks later you're back to watching videos in your native language? Don't worry, you're not lazy. You're not bad at languages. You're just using the wrong strategy. Today, I'll show you a better way, a smarter way, one that actually works. Many people think, I need to feel like a fluent English speaker first. So they buy books, fancy apps, even expensive headphones. But after some days, they stop. Why? Because they tried to change their identity first. But identity follows actions, not the opposite. You are not fluent because you say you are. You become fluent when you act like someone learning. A little, every day. Read one sentence today. Listen to a 1-minute English story. That's all. Your brain will say, we are learning. Do it again tomorrow, and again the next day. That's how habits grow. That's how identity changes. You don't need to read 50 books this year. Just read 1 page today. Tomorrow, do the same. And again. Your brain will notice. Interesting. We read again. On day 3, it says, wait, are we a reader now? It's the identity cycle. And it's beautiful. Small actions reshape how you see yourself. And that changes everything. No big promises. No need for willpower. Just smart, small steps. Imagine your brain as a garden. Every word you read, every phrase you listen to, is a seed. The more you repeat, the stronger the path becomes. Even bad habits are just old paths, like walking to your favorite cafe. Don't fight the old path. Just stop walking there. Build a new path, a better one. Your brain doesn't know what's good or bad. It only makes the path you use most easier to follow. That's why it's easier to check Instagram than to read. It's just a path your brain already knows. But now, you know the secret. You can build a new trail and let the old one fade away. That's how real change begins. Want to stop checking your phone in English class? Don't say, I won't check my phone. Say, I will open Duolingo instead. The brain hears actions, not resistance. Here's a quick test. Don't think about pink elephants. What are you thinking about right now? Pink elephants, right? Don't worry. It happens to everyone. This is how your brain works. When you focus on what not to do, you're still focusing on it. Instead of fighting old habits, build new ones. Want to stop scrolling Instagram in the morning? Don't fight the urge. Create a new morning habit. Drink water. Stretch. Breathe. Your brain will follow the new path if you repeat it. And the old habit? It fades away on its own. Motivation disappears. Willpower gets tired. But your environment can help you 24/7. Look around your room right now. Everything you see is helping you or hurting you. You can change it. Think of water. Water always flows where it's easiest. Your behavior is the same. You naturally go where it's easy. Want to eat better? Don't try to resist snacks at 10 p.m. Just don't bring them into the house. At 10 p.m., your willpower is gone, but your environment still works. I call this the friction principle. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits hard. Want to study more English? Put your English book on your pillow. Set your phone in English. Leave sticky notes on your mirror. Let your space do the work for you. You don't need more time to learn English. You need more energy. Have you ever had a free day, but felt too tired to study? Or had just 30 minutes and learned more than ever? That's not about time. That's about energy. Energy is your power to change. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy. During focus, it can go up to 70%. That's why learning feels hard sometimes. It's a mental workout. But after study, something amazing happens. Your brain recovers. It organizes new information. It builds stronger connections. Rest isn't just rest. It's part of learning. So stop asking, how can I do more? Start asking, when is my energy highest? Plan your learning for that time. Surf the energy wave. You'll learn faster and feel better. You don't need to fight your old self. You just need to walk a new path. One small step a day. Let English become part of who you are, naturally, simply, joyfully. What's one small English habit you can start today? Write it in the comments and read what others are doing too. Let's grow together. If this helped you, subscribe and share. And remember, every little English moment counts. See you next time, here on English Tales Time,